we can make plural by adding s in the end. For example, paper. Paper is singular, but if we add s in the end, then it will be plural and it sounds papers. Likewise, fan, fans, bat, bats. Rule number 2. Words that end in s, ss, ch, x, and sh make plural by adding es. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes, catch, catches, wish, wishes. Rule number 3. If noun ends with a consonant plus y, so makes plural by removing y and add ies. For example, city, cities, baby, babies. If noun ends with a vowel plus y, make plural by simply adding s. For example, key, keys, boy, boys, day, days. The vowels are the letters a, e, I, o, and u. All other than these letters are consonant. Rule number 4. If nouns end with f, make plural by removing f and add ves. For example, wolf, wolves, leaf, leaves, calf, calves. Friends, thank you for watching my video, and if you really learned something from literature professors, so like, subscribe,